Functions by Sarthak Jain. So, first we will talk on history of functions and how it came into existence. Functions came into existence with the growth of calculus in 17th century. Leibniz first used the term function in 1673. Scientists like Newton, Bernoulli, etc. added to it as it has much importance in mathematics as well as in the world. Now, let us talk about function. Function is a relation f from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, it means function is a special type of relation as it has only one output on one input. Now, we can understand them more easily by the graphs. As graph A shows one input, one output, but graph B and C shows one input but two outputs. So, the graph A represents function, but graph B and C represents relation. Let's quickly do a calculation to understand function deeply. Unlike several relations, a function gives only one output per input. As we can see in the diagram, f is an input, f of x is an output. Let us consider a function x plus 1, where x is an input. So, if x is equals to 1, f of x is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. If x is equals to 2, f of x is equals to 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Now, I will tell you about some real life examples. For the first example, let us consider a particular vehicle. We see in that more the fuel, more the distance traveled when we assume same fuel and uniform speed and consider no effect of other factor. Now, second example is about a windmill. Here, we observe more the wind, faster the blades of windmill rotates, not considering factors like pressure and temperature. Now, let us consider water as third example. More the heat we give to the water, higher the temperature of water reaches, until boiling point is reached and neglecting other factors. Let us look up at some applications of function. Function is used in space science to speculate the usage of fuel and other requirements when satellites and spaceships are used. It is also used in weather forecasting by weather forecasters. It is used a lot in computer science, in programming languages, Django, Kotlin, C++, Python, etc. As we know, function is also used in solving various problems of mathematics and physics. Thank you for watching. I show my special gratitude towards my teacher, Mr. Sarthak Jain, for giving me this creative and interesting project, and my parents for supporting me, and my dear friend Harsh for helping me.